G'day guys, Greg here. Now, last night I had a couple of beers and well, maybe could have gone a little bit overboard, but today I just felt like a nice greasy box just to really make me feel a whole lot better. Now, I checked on the KFC app and they've got this new thing called 9.95 Luxe Lunch. What's a 9.95 Luxe Lunch, you ask? Hell! Today I'm going to go and find out. So how about we whip on into KFC, grab one, suss it out, and see what we actually get. Let's go! Alright, well here we go, the new 9.95 Luxe Lunch. Or is it Luxy? I'm not sure, but I'm feeling lucky. And, well, I mean, this actually got a bit of weight about it, and it comes with a drink, but I am wondering how much this does weigh. Let's check it on the scales. Wow. 514 grams minus a box. Mate, you're looking still at around the 500 gram mark for this. And it comes with a drink. So you're looking at 375 plus 5. You're looking at 870 odd grams of weight gain. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. How about we open this box and see what we actually get inside? Oh, I hope it's greasy. Oh, I can't wait to dive on into whatever is in here. Oh, a knife and fork. Oh, two of them. Oh, well, I'm not sharing it. All right, okay, so we got a potato and gravy. Yummy. Some chips. I hope they're seasoned nicely. What now? Is that a hot and spicy? Or something? I think it's from a pigeon, not from a chicken. I mean, look at it. That looks like something that used to be a tender. And, oh, wow. Some original KFC chicken. Oh, I haven't had that in donkey's years. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items plus a can of drink. 6. I don't think you're going to be able to wipe this smile off my face. Oh, man, look at these chips. Boy, they're yellow looking. I hope they're nicely seasoned and crunchy. Crunchy KFC chips was always going to be too much to ask for. But they are seasoned nicely. Right, what's next? Potato and gravy. Oh, yes. Oh, cool, another one of these. I'll add that to my collection. Right. Oh, that looks exactly like something I want to eat. I haven't had one of these in a while. Bitter. Bit sour. Fake. Not too bad. Except for the aftertaste, which isn't as enjoyable as what I probably would have liked. Alright, what's next? Whatever this is, it's very small. I think it's a leg. It could be part of a wing. It could be something out of the lavatory. I'm not too sure. But that coating is interesting. What is it? Oh. Tastes like it's deep fried in plastic. It's got this real plastic flavour about it. Bit chewy. I think it's the hot and crispy or hot and spicy or whatever the hot one is of KFC. Not the best piece of chicken I've had, and not as greasy as I probably would have liked. It'll have to do. Maybe this thing will be better. It looks like a gold nugget or Could be like something that you'd find right at the bottom of the ocean. Something that's got a light on its head. Please be original recipe. Wow, crunchy. Salty. Not too greasy though. But tasty enough. Right, time for this bad boy. And I've got to say that coating is the most golden, inviting, warm and delicious coating I've seen on KFC chicken in a long time. Could have been thicker though. They could have double breaded it. It'll have to do. And just look at that chicken. Oh boy, that looks good. I hope it's greasy. Not too bad. These big bits of chicken though can get a bit dry, can't they? Would have been good if it was like full of grease and oil, so it just slips down your throat without even you having to do any effort. But it is a bit dry. Not as flavourful as I would have liked. And not really greasy either. I used to always rely on KFC being a nice greasy box, but maybe my fingers, I thought they had a nice sheen on them, but in reality, they're hardly greasy at all. Even though most of the food in here is pretty good, it's not great. And it's not greasy. I'm a little bit disappointed, so I wonder what score I'm going to give this box out of 10. Well, $9.95 for all this food. It was half a kilo. Value-wise for $10, man, that's pretty good. Flavour-wise, well, I mean, the chips, they were all right. They weren't too bad. Well seasoned, but they were soggy. The mashed potato and gravy, well, that left a lot to be desired. It was a bit sour and bitter and didn't seem that great. Whatever this piece of chicken was, I still got no idea, but it was all right tasting. It wasn't great. That deep sea creature, all it needed was some tentacles coming off. It could have stung me. I mean, that tasted all right, but it wasn't great. And then I had this nice big piece of chicken that looked like a big gold nugget, and oh, mate, I was so happy after seeing that. But after I bit into it and ate some, oh, mate, it wasn't even that good. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the new Luxe box, lunchtime only, from KFC, $9.95. I think I can only give this up. Mate, I can only give it a 6 out of 10. Even though it's fantastic value and there's lots of food in there and it weighs a lot and it'll fill you up, but the flavour of this KFC's just pretty average. It's hardly good at all. I didn't enjoy anything that I ate today. It was all just ho-hum. It wasn't greasy. Tasted more like a salad than anything. It was just really disappointing, and the flavour of KFC just seems to have gone right down the pooper. It doesn't taste anywhere near as good as it used to, and well, if you've got a really good KFC around and, you know, they know how to make chicken, then, hey, mate, it's a pretty good box, but otherwise, mate, might as well just go and get a salad roll from Subway or something. Maybe one with chicken on it. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. Let's hope it's way better than this. See you then. Ooh, yeah.